It's day 81 of the 100-day project, and on my list is a watercolor portrait of a Havanese. Before adding any color, I simply wet the paper. This is called a wash. You can do this with a wide wash brush or with whatever brush you have. Because the paper is already wet, adding any color now will give you a soft feathered look. This wet in wet technique is perfect for base layers. When the paper is almost dry, I like to add light layers of color, gradually darkening the tonal value to add depth. Once the paper is dry, I start adding the facial features so that they stay sharp and in focus. For realistic-looking fur, painting in light, medium, and dark layers gives it volume and texture. Finally, I make sure to add the darkest value and the sharpest detail to the eyes, because they convey all the emotion and bring the portrait to life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.